Okay, so today we're learning to estimate and calculate the area of triangles. So on our board we have got 3 triangles. We're going to use the same technique as we did before as the irregular shapes. So we're going to get our finger, if you'd like to count along the full squares for me as we go. Off we go. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Then we've got like 10 as part, I would say. Okay, so we've got 10 there, so we think that would be 10. If they're centimetres, it would be centimetres squared. Okay, the green one, that's off we go. It's a bit more trickier. 1, 2, 3, and we've got part of one there. 4. These 2 halves. 5. That one and that one 6. And 7. Okay, and then over to the big one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 2, 9. Those 2, about 10. That little everyone would add to it. I think 10 centimetres squared. Okay, so again we're looking at the whole parts first, and then the part of the fraction parts. Okay, let's move on to our next slide. Okay, so let's take a look at the area of both when we're looking at the square and the triangle. Let's see what we notice. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that is 16 centimetres squared. Let's go for the triangle.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
These 2, 7. These 2, 8. Okay. So what do you notice about the triangle in relation to the square here? Yes?
The triangle's half of the square and it's got half the area.
Well done, well explained. Okay, so does this always happen? Do you think?
No.
You don't think so?
No, because if it's like, it's not always a square, it could be a rectangle, and like the triangle, and that would work so well.
Wouldn't it work? Right, I'd like to have a go at it and see what we come back with, okay? Right, so have a pause now and have a go. Okay, welcome back. So what did you think? What did you find when you tried a rectangle and a triangle? Is it always half the area of the triangle? You can tell this by folding, actually, the folding exercise. Yes?
I think so, but I still don't think so, because if you had an irregular shape and tried to half that, I don't think it'd work.
Oh, but we're looking at triangles and squares.
Oh, it
Yeah,
would.
so it's not an irregular shape.
It
Yeah,
would
okay,
always
so it
work.
would work.
Yeah.
Okay, brilliant. It's not thinking about our ponds anymore. Put the ponds away now. Okay, brilliant. Okay, let's take a look at some examples where we can look at that. So we're going to write down on our board so on our board we've got our perimeter and our area of rectangles, which we know is length times the width. So our formula for our area of a triangle would be looking like this. So area of triangles would be length times the width, but then divided by 2. Okay, so that's our formula for finding out the area of a rectangle. So let's take a quick look. So here on our example we've got a rectangle which is 3, the width and the length of 6 centimetres. So the area of the rectangle will be 3 times 6, which is 18. Half of 18 is 9. So the area of the triangle would be 9
centimetres squared.
Well done, don't forget those centimetres squared, well done. Okay, so that's what you're going to apply to your knowledge today. So your tasks, so you have got a 1 chili, 2 chili or a 3 chili challenge. You're going to go through those questions, applying the formula that we've just demonstrated. Okay, so have fun looking at those, well done.